Hello, future programmer. You have 10 minutes to learn JavaScript, but who said it takes that long? Today, in less than 2 minutes, we'll build a fully functional calculator. Look, this is what we'll achieve. If you're a lost beginner, this is your first project. Let's get coding. We need one main container, a display, and 16 numbered buttons. Don't waste your time with CSS. Copy and paste the base code. We're done. A simple touch with grid layout to make buttons tidy. Vibrant colors to grab attention. That's all you need for CSS. Pass to JavaScript. Focus with me. Top 3 questions in JavaScript. 1. How do we capture the button? We use document.querySelector. 2. How do we know which button was pressed? We use addEventListener. 3. How do we count? We use eval. Eval isn't a good thing for large projects, but it's magical here. Okay, the code is done. The code is complete. Try it yourself. Now you know how to manipulate the DOM. Remember, it's not just about the project, it's about forcing you to merge the codes. Your next challenge, add a clear button. Leave the code in the comments. If these quick 2 minutes blew your mind, subscribe to the channel now and watch this next video to boost your programming power.